Why would anybody need more than one phone number? Here are 5 practical ways to use a second line, starting with a startup business. Having a phone number other than your personal phone number can be vitally important for startup business owners. If your new business needs calls, avoid sharing your personal phone number, especially if you plan to scale in the future. Luckily, you don't have to. You can use a second phone number as your business number. Give that number to anyone without feeling like you're compromising your privacy or security. Once those calls start rolling in, set that number up to forward calls to your main phone number, and you're good to go. Here's another way a second phone number comes in handy. Dating. If you're in the dating game, maintaining your personal life can be challenging. When you meet someone new, whether at a club, bar, meetup, or on a dating app, it's common to exchange some sort of contact information. You never know what someone will do with that phone number, or how often they'll text you, especially only after a few exchanges on dating apps or a brief interaction in person. Why risk something so directly connected to you? To protect your privacy and peace of mind, use a second phone number for sharing with unfamiliar people, keeping your actual number private. If that potential partner reveals themselves to be inappropriate, you can confidently block them without any guilt, effectively stopping them from reaching out to you again. If they're not a creeper but a genuine keeper, perhaps you can take the next step by sharing your real phone number. A second phone number isn't just for work or dating, it's also perfect for celebrities, influencers, and public figures. Gaining recognition for something you're passionate about can be an amazing experience. That being said, having more eyes on you makes maintaining your privacy that much more important. Building connections, collaborating, or just making new friends can be challenging and may compromise your privacy if you continually share your personal phone number with everyone. If you often share your number with others outside your close circles, consider giving them a different number. Take precautions to prevent being doxxed if someone decides to break your trust. Keep your personal number for those you trust the most. Moving soon? Here's how a second phone number helps. When relocating, you may think you need a new landline number with a new carrier. For many individuals, landlines hold significant sentimental value and emotional connections. It can be difficult to get rid of something so important to you. Fortunately, that's not something you need to be concerned about. You can keep your landline number when moving to a new residence, regardless of whether it's in a different state or even in another country. How? Regardless of whether your new carrier accepts that number, consider porting, parking, or forwarding your landline with a VoIP provider like NumberBarn. You can even receive calls from your landline number on your cell phone. In this case, your old number may end up being your alternate number, but it can still be number 1 in your heart. Here's the final way to use a second phone number. For fun! How can phone numbers be fun? 2 words: vanity numbers. What is a vanity number? A vanity number is a phone number where the digits spell out an easy-to-remember word or phrase. It can also be where the digits have repeating or alternating numbers like 444-4444 or 434-3434. What makes that fun for you is that you can pick your own vanity number to be whatever you choose. You can have a phone number that spells out your name. For example, Sam5665 or Alex909. Other ideas for a fun number: try birthdays or anniversaries. You can even give phone numbers as a gift to friends as a gag gift. You can get your kids a custom number when they get their first phone. Now you have no excuse for forgetting their numbers. The possibilities are 1-800 endless. Who knew phone numbers could be so fun? Want a second number? Visit NumberBarn.com to get a number with us. Just go to our search page. From that point, you can select any area code, word, or digits you want, or type your name to see the results. After you purchase your phone number, you can park it with us and choose a call forwarding plan, so you still receive calls on your personal device. As you can see, there are plenty of ways you can use a second phone number. If you run into any hiccups along the way or are curious about what else you can do with your NumberBarn phone number, reach out to our support team. Get the perfect second phone number today at NumberBarn.